Welcome to Will It Doughnut. Today we have a key lime donut. We will see if it doughnutted. I don't know. It was a little hot today in Georgia, so I was kind of like skipping steps and stuff. So, welcome to Will It Doughnut Part 1. Key lime Part 1. Let's let KiKi taste this key lime and let's see how it goes.
Is it really a key lime?
It is really key lime.
It doesn't look like one.
This is really key lime pie, and that's the good.
Oh wow!
That's the good part.
It's soft. Oh, I wasn't expecting this inside like this.
Okay, let me know.
I can't get it. I
Here,
can't.
I'll
I
help
can't.
you.
Okay.
Are you up there? Okay,
right.
donut. Cheers.
All right. Cheers.
I like it.
Tastes like key lime pie, but did it donut?
It is key lime pie, so it's 100% key lime pie.
But it's shaped like a donut.
It's shaped like a donut.
So
We didn't fry this, so
so
I don't know if we technically can call it a donut.
I know you cheated a little bit here.
So 0% donut.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, sorry, it's not fried. Did you say fried stuff is donut?
Yeah.
And this is not fried, so you kind of
It's
cheated.
not fried, so it's
Yeah.
not technically a donut.
So
So we're gonna have to 100% key lime pie, 0% donutted? No, it's like
0%?
25% donutted because it's still the shape of a donut. And a lot of people going around baking donuts and then calling them donuts when they're really just round cakes, you know what I'm saying? So I guess we can call it that. 25%
25%.
donut.
Tastes good.
It's really good. I like it. I like it a lot.
I was expecting worse, so.
Okay.
Flashbacks of the
I know, whenever I come in, sushi episode, watch that sushi episode and how it failed.
Thank you for coming by.
Wow.
Key lime donut part 1.
Part 1
gonna
meaning part
give-
2 is going to be
I'm gonna give
coming
this
soon.
a shot maybe tomorrow
You have to
or
fry it.
Wednesday.
What?
So
I'm busy watching. Oh, yeah, I can't say that.
no worries. But yeah, all right. Thank you for coming by. Leave an idea for a new dish that we can donut in the comment section, and we will pick your dish and we'll try to turn it into a donut. Bye. Welcome back, Will It Doughnut. Whew. Part 2 on key lime. KiKi has came back and gave me a second chance at getting this right. And she brought a special guest, or he just showed up?
No,
He
no,
just-
I didn't want him.
He just shows up, he follows us around. Also,
stalker.
also from Flowers Baking Company. So we got a Flowers Baking reunion here. Okay? We got Forrest Jackson here, and he's gonna give it a try. And I brought him in because I don't really trust KiKi's opinion last time, so maybe that's the reason. I said I need a second opinion. So, y'all grab a donut and let me know how it goes.
You're gonna take it? Oh yeah, you.
I'm doing a whole 30
Yeah,
night.
right.
All right, and I
you
did already
really are.
taste it. I tasted it earlier, so it should be all right.
Everyone's heavy.
Here, do donut
Donut
cheers.
cheers. Okay.
If I can't wait, I'll get you.
Okay. Oh, yeah, boy.
Yes.
we in there.
I think you did it. I think you nailed
Does it
it.
taste like a key lime pie? And does it taste like a donut?
Tastes like a donut.
Creamy, sweet.
Here, show it to the camera. Show the bite. You zoom in on the cow. Especially this way. He's got a good bite there.
Oh, because I got big mouth.
No, it's nice. You can see the
Yeah.
creaminess and the.
I found the part, so that's good.
Yeah, and it holds up. So I think I'm gonna go with 93% donutted. Okay.
Pretty high.
Hey, shut your damn mouth. Okay.
I'm not that guy. I got my own skill.
No, I'm gonna go. Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah, big one.
Thank you. So
she got more. She had the first. Had the ups on it.
Zero to big. Yes. But definitely, I'm surprised he held it. This creaminess.
Yeah, I'm surprised too. Now, we just tried a little different. This time I said, let me add a little touch of cream cheese in there. So I added cream cheese so it could be just a little sturdier. Because the goal was to make it sturdy to hold up, but not too sturdy where it's like Jell-O or something where we want it to be creamy and smooth. So it's creamy and smooth. And then we fried it, we froze it, then fried it, breaded and fried it, and then we froze it again, so it still holds up. And when it freezes, it still can be really creamy because it's got a lot of sugar in there, so it's still smooth.
That thing no aftertaste.
Thank you.
All right. I have to do it again. I was afraid it's going to be 3 or 4 takes. I have to come back next week again too. It's like, what? How many episodes of Key Lime?
Right. I'm fighting traffic.
No, this is it.
Surprise me.
2 is pretty good.
Thank you. So we all work together at Flowers and Tucker. Flowers of Tucker is a great place. If you want some good breads, Nature's Own Cobblestone Mill, great breads. What else y'all make? Y'all make the Arby's buns there. We make Chick-fil-A's, whole wheat buns. So you've had Chick-fil-A and you just...
Killer bread.
Oh, you make Dave's Killer Bread?
Yeah, we
Dave's Killer.
They joined in with Dave.
But a little bit of history. Before I started up Sublime Donuts, I worked at a big bakery manufacturer called Flowers Baking Company of Tucker. They made thousands of pounds of bread every day for Chick-fil-A and Walmart's and Arby's, and then they had their own brands, Cobblestone Mill and Nature's Own. So, yeah, and KiKi was the comptroller in the front office. Me and Forrest were production supervisors. We ran the line.
I'm still fighting them.
Yeah, me and KiKi have retired from Flowers. We're still holding it down, making all that delicious bread we all love. We love Flowers, please. Buy Sublime Donuts. Cut the check. I'm ready to sell out.
You ain't good.
But Flowers, partner up with me. I can make key lime donuts for you. We can put them on all the store shelves, okay?
You wanted to do that, the bread brain.
I mean, I can't be shitting on Flowers. I love Flowers, okay? Flowers is great.
But my idea.
Best company in America. They are like the second biggest bakery. Bimbo is coming. We're coming for Bimbo, okay? So watch out. I love Flowers. Okay? Thank you for watching. Once again, I'm a genius. Key Lime Donut is great, okay? Smartest man ever. Thank you. I'm glad y'all can agree. Y'all want to see me turn another dish into a donut? Please leave a comment in the comment section and we'll give it a try.